Alright, what we have here is Infiniti ex35. We have a camshaft cover oil leak right there, and it's been dripping all the way to the tensioner, and then from the tensioner to the belt, and it's spreading the oil everywhere. So we're going to reseal it, take it out, take it apart, put a new seal, and hopefully it will fix. First we're gonna remove the intake. Okay, intake is removed. You're gonna need a top radiator hose removed. You gotta get a reservoir removed. So you gotta get an engine cover removed. So now I took the wire out, the plug out here. Next is the belt. You gotta remove the belt. So now we're gonna remove the tensioner and the pulleys. So now you gotta remove power steering pump. Alright, so we have a situation here. In order for you to get the pump out, you have to take the bracket, the pump bracket out that's holding to the engine, and you can't even get the bolt from the back bracket because it's heating now. This bolt cannot remove because it's too long. It's hitting the radiator fan. But even if you can get the bolt out by taking the radiator fan, you still need to get the bracket out because it's sandwiched into this pulley bracket, the tensioner bracket. So as you can see, it's sandwiched here. So before you can take this cover out, you have to remove all this bracketry. And the problem is that there's two bolts over there. It's really hard to get to. Right there, there's two bolts. Yeah, right there. Those two bolts you have to get rid of, right there. And there's no space. So you gotta have to get those two bolts in order to get the bracket out. Alright, it's finally removed. So as you can see, power steering pump, and there is a bracket there. The pump you have to remove, and there's a bunch of bolts around it, and there's also a bolt in the middle, don't forget. So that's what it looked like for this particular engine. Here's the cover. Alright, and now here's the gasket. So here's where the leak is, from the bottom. See look at the rubber seal here. The black rubber seal is already deteriorated. See that? You're already gone. So yeah, I'm gonna have to clean this, put a new seal, then it should be good. And to put it back, it should be the reverse. So put a new seal. Like I said, it should be the reverse when you install this thing, but make sure you clean up all the surrounding of the seal. As you can see, there's a old seal left, and oxidation of the aluminum. You're gonna have to clean it. So So there's a lot of oxidation there. That's one reason of this thing start to leak, because oxidation. So yeah, that's it for this. Thank you for watching.